Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to launch Audi A5. Start in first gear, hold the brake, and blip the throttle to about 3,000 RPM before releasing the clutch. Keep your hands steady on the wheel, focus on traction, and apply throttle progressively as the car transfers weight. If wheels spin, reduce throttle and reapply more gently. Practice in a safe, legal area and stay aware of surroundings. For a clean launch, find the balance between clutch engagement and throttle input that works for your Audi A5. Practice the timing so the engine stays in the power band without excessive slip. Use firm, deliberate motions rather than tentative inputs to build muscle memory. Remember that aggressive launches increase wear, so limit attempts and inspect the clutch and drivetrain regularly after repeated launches to ensure everything remains healthy. Quick recommendation: on another note, for those post-launch smells in the cabin, grab a little Trees black ice to keep things smelling great after spirited driving. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more content like this. I put the product link and other deals in the description for easy access. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Traction is everything when launching an Audi A5, so pick a safe, legal, and dry area with good grip. Ensure tires are properly inflated and warmed up to improve adhesion. Keep safety gear handy and avoid launches on public streets or near pedestrians. If conditions are slippery, abandon the attempt or reduce power to maintain control. Prioritize safety over performance and consider supervised track days for practice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.